Idamigongo, the person giving you support sometimes may be more broken than you are. Never underestimate the help offered to you. Never assume they can do more, because sometimes the helper also needs help. When kindness comes, don't measure it with entitlement. Everyone is looking okay from afar. People are wrestling with battles they cannot post. Some are dealing with dreams that refuse to become a reality. Everybody is fighting with something, aka Ototologun. Don't look down on big or small support, because if it was easy, you no go need support in the first place.